ECM multi-speed blower motor troubleshooting can totally mess with your head if you don't know which speed tap to test or use when swapping out the motor. So when you're checking or replacing that blower motor, first thing is to grab the wiring diagram for your exact model because the color codes can vary, you know? Usually, red is the low speed, gray is high speed, but never just guess. Always double check the diagram. You'll want to apply voltage to each speed, tap separately to see how the motor responds, kinda like testing each gear on a bike. Make sure you have everything powered down before touching wires to avoid any shocks or shorts. If you're replacing the motor, match the new one's speed taps exactly with the original's wiring. Don't forget, some models have a common wire that you'll need to connect properly for the motor to run right. Keep a multimeter handy. It's your best friend for checking continuity and voltage on those wires. And if the motor isn't spinning right, even after hooking up all speeds correctly, check the control board or thermostat signals next, because sometimes the problem isn't the blower itself. One of the biggest mistakes with ECM blower motor troubleshooting is just guessing which speed wire to test without confirming from the wiring diagram, which can fry your motor or cause wrong operation. Fix this by always referencing the exact wiring schematic for your model before you start any testing. Another common issue is not turning off power fully before poking around wires. This leads to shorts or shocks. Always shut off breakers and double check with a tester. Lastly, people sometimes mix up the common wire with speed wires, messing up the whole setup. Make sure you identify and connect the common wire correctly as per your model's wiring details. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors without all the stress. Plus, it helps contractors get noticed and land more projects by connecting them with people who actually need their skills.